there? No. No. She's getting more and more scared every day. Okay, it is Sunday morning and I'm off on another adventure right down the road. It's about 5 minutes away. It's another mirror. Surprise, surprise. And it's only $1 and I only have quarters, so I hope they don't mind quarters. But yeah, I'm on my way. Super excited. The only other thing I want to do today is go for a walk in woods. That is my goal, is to get out there before noon hits, which might be a little difficult because it's already 11:07 and I've been cooking and cleaning all morning, so I kind of missed. I really like that low angled light. It just makes me feel so good. But I think I should still get some if I start heading out soon here. I did want to say that it does seem like I shop a lot, but I don't actually. I just got on this little kick recently because of Valen leaving. A little bit of procrastinating on some gardening that I need to do. Like I need to finish mulching this area that we've been laying cardboard boxes over with the pile Mount Mulchuvius of mulch that we have. That we got from a neighbor's tree. But, and then also I needed to clean the house and I needed it to get to a point where it felt like complete, where I could breathe and not have to think about it anymore. And I know like mirrors and things like that are just like silly little items, but I just needed to feel better in the space that I'm in. We're going to be stuck indoors all winter. And so I need it to be prepared before we get into winter so that I'm not feeling bogged down. Right now I have the energy because I can go outside and breathe. But once we get, the doors closed and we're shut inside with the heater on, and it just becomes kind of cozy and you feel, I don't know, for me anyway, it's been kind of a difficult transition learning how to live in the winter. And even though I do like it, I love it when it's snowing. I don't like it when it's just cold and muddy. So, yeah, I'm just preparing for this nesting. Even though these are things that I could do during the winter because I'm inside anyway. But it just, for me, it doesn't work that way for some reason. Okay, I'm home and this is what I got. Cute little mirror. It has black ribbon. I really like black things. There are no chips on it, and it was $1, so it's really cute, and it was worth it. Made it out for my walk. It's a Sunday, so there are a lot of people here. I feel like I'm being followed. The road was blocked by cranes. We're going back. Well, not back, but another way. Oh boy. Blah. Definitely not a fan of the cranes. Also, I love the cranes. They're really cool. Hi, upside down bird. I don't have anything for you though. Sorry. There are a bunch of birds wishing I had seeds for them. 13. It's my first time walking this path. Fall is definitely coming. I'm eating mushroom, but a mushroom nonetheless. It's times like these where I question whether I'm on the path still. Okay, this looks better. Does it look better? Okay, not gonna go that way. Do murderers take walks? I don't know, but I feel like there's one around here somewhere. That's a good sign. Okay, we're veering back that way, which is a good sign because that's the direction, at least it feels like it, like that's the direction toward the nature center. Oh, what happened here? Grapevine maybe. Okay, we just walked this, then this, and now we're here. Do you hear the gunshot-like sounds in the background? That is a local shooting range. Going under the arch. Ooh, I like this spot. Lots of trees and like expanse. Grassy. Mosquito. One very bright red thing in the middle of nowhere. Is that a male? Hello. That's cool. Look at that, we're at a crossroads. Awesome. We made it. Now we're going here, and then either here or here, and I'm parked somewhere here. Okay, so we went from here to here, and now we're here? No, we're here. So now we're gonna go here. Alcohol. Chipmunks are pretty bold today. That is cool. Super smooth. Okay, that poison ivy looks pretty. There. Oh wait, maybe I didn't pass the place I already was. I think I went that way. I'm going this way, back this way. What is the color? Oh my. Anything for you. So awesome. Oh God. I hate running into cranes. Pass. A family with a baby carriage had to scare them away so that I could walk by. Okay, I made it back. I think I'm going to walk around the other side of the park. Okay, so we're about here. We've done this. Now we're going to do this. Cute. Tamaracks. This is a tree where we try to take a photo every year. Blue strife. This portion of the trail I've walked a bunch of times with family and stuff, so I get it and I'm not as scared at all. But the other trail was the first time for me, so. That's cool. My guess is it's Monarda. I've seen deer in this area. today. This one goes around a lake, which is over there. I'll show you as soon as I can see it. Hello. Squirrel. Valen and I saw a deer here last time we walked around this lake. Not today. Okay, now we're entering to a pine forest. Totally different feeling while walking. This portion actually has what looks like asphalt, which is kind of weird. Unfortunately, you can hear the freeway from here. I thought this was going to take forever, but it's not so bad. I love it. And I know I'm over halfway back to the car, so there's a cardinal, but they're the scariest of all the birds. That and blue jays. Oh. I love how every corner you turn there's a different little ecosystem going on. There's the lake. Oh no. Chipmunk just went in that hole. Fallen tree. Oh, some treasure. Oh, great. Dead tree. We started on the other side of that lake, went all the way around. Egret over there, can't see it very well. Couple swans by the road. Let's see if we can go get them, catch them up close. There's one swan. There's the other swan, and he's tagged. I made it back to the car. I'm sweaty and hot, obviously, and disheveled, but it was a very nice walk. Whew, I've been chewing this gum way too long, but I have nowhere to spit it out. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. There's only so much detail I can capture with a cell phone camera. That was a healthy walk. Apparently I've done almost 13,000 steps today already, so time to get some much deserved iced tea. Are these types of videos like daily vlogs or come walk with me type of videos interesting? Oh, should I keep doing that? I mean, I'm definitely going to keep taking photos and possibly recording, but should I post it? That is the question.